Good afternoon, guys. How you guys doing? Today I will be going over Tryhackme content discovery. That is the junior penetration testing, just in case I need some of the required, word list and stuff like that. So for content discovery, we should ask in the context of web application security. What is content? Content can be many things: a file, video, picture, backup, a website feature. When we talk about content discovery, we're not talking about the obvious things we can see on the website. It's the things that are not immediately presented to us, and that we're not always intended for public access. That we're not intended for public intended for public access. This content could be, for example, pages or portals intended for staff usage, older versions of the website, backup files. Okay, this is too bright for me. Sorry. Configuration files and administration panel. So let's go ahead and start the attack box. I have already done that. We could go ahead and show split. We got about 54 seconds left. So what is content discovery method? Begins with M. Obviously starts manually, automated, and OSINT, that is open source intelligence. So we can go ahead with M. It would be manually. What is content discovery method? That begins with A, that is automated. And what is the content discovery method? That begins with O, that is the OSINT, that is open source intelligence. Bear with me, I'm barely speaking anything right now. Okay, let's go ahead and manually discover anything that is listed. There are multiple places we can manually check on website to start discovering more content. Robots.txt. This file usually is the document that tells us search engine which pages they are, and are not allowed to show on their search engine results, or ban specific search engines from crawling the website altogether. It can be common practice to restrict certain website areas so they are not displayed in search engine results. For instance, when you Google, or like even Tryhackme or something like that. So these some of the websites on tryhackme.com, like that robot.txt, that actually well, not these ones obviously, but anything that starts with Tryhackme and slash forward slash something else. Those are actually listed on, as part of the robots.txt. But if they were not whitelisted on robots.txt, we will never find them here. Well, here on Google search. I think that's kind of what the idea is. This file gives us a great list of locations on the website that the owners don't want us to discover as a penetration tester. Take a look at the robot.txt file on ACME IT support website. So we can straight go copy and paste this, or straight go to robots.txt. Let me go ahead. Take a look at the robot.txt file on the ACME support website to see if there are anything that don't want us. Let me go ahead. It's on my other screen. So boom, the user agent, anything. The home button. The home folder or directories allow, and the disallow is the staff portal. So let's go ahead and copy that, and that would be our answer. That is not something that was allowed. So if we actually go to the staff portal, right here, staff portal, yeah, we will get what? Wait. Oh, yeah, I misspelled. Oh, shouldn't have been a dot, but this right here. Boom. This was not supposed to be on Google search or anywhere. This is supposed to be secret. So we found the robot.txt endpoint. You see what I'm saying? So if I actually go on tryhackme.com, let's go ahead and try that out. So tryhackme.com. robots.txt. I wonder what they have here. Oh wow, oh, that's crazy. So they do have they allow the home directory and then the API uh, and the voucher status is not allowed. I wonder what this is. I hope this is legal, but we can go ahead and try that out. Actually, let me go start tryhackme.com and Control V API. Boom. Yeah, obviously that's not gonna work. What's the other one? Voucher status. I wonder what the hell that is. I don't think I need that star. Why the hell is not working? I mean, obviously it's not supposed to work, but you see the point, right? It's kind of interesting, very exciting too. But yeah, let's go back. We got the answer for that. So that is just for manual discovery. The other one is Favicon. I mean, that's how I pronounce it. Maybe I mean, it's pronounced different. But the fave icon is more displayed in the browser's address bar or tab used for branding website. For instance, this right here. Where's my cursor? Right here. This right here is the icon that they talk about. Fave or fab. Yeah, fave icon. That is used for branding a website. So sometimes when frameworks are used to build a website, Favicon that is part of the installation gets left over, and if the website developer does not replace it with a custom one, this can give us a clue on what framework is in use. So a host has a database common framework icons that you can use to check against. That is, let me go ahead and click on that. And these are some of the database listed on OWASP. I think that's the Open Web application something something. I forgot what OWASP stands for. But I mean, oh my God, I don't know how many they have. Probably like maybe about 200 or 300. So it's kind of tough to go word to word and find that out. So what do they actually want us to do? So for practical exercise on the attack box, open Firefox and enter the this website right here, and then it says website coming soon. And you see this the branding, the fave icon they talk about. This right here is what they are talking about, and then you will see a basic website with a note saying website coming soon. Obviously, this right here. And then if you look at your tabs, you'll notice an icon that confirms this site using a fave icon. View page source, and you will see it probably somewhere around line 6. So you go ahead and view page source, line 6 right here. It does give us where this is located. Image favicon.ico. Okay, and if you run the following command on the attack box, it will download the fave icon and get this MD5 hash value, uh, which we can look up. Then we can look up on the from the list that was listed here, that was given to us. So let's go ahead and honestly, we don't have to go through the trouble. They already put everything that we need. All we have to do. Sorry guys, I have a little allergy. So all we need is copy this, go to our Kali Linux. We already connected, so we can go ahead and paste the selection, and boom. And as soon as it's done, they give us the hash value, which is F276B, and then all I have to do is just probably run that against the listed website. So I could do Control F, F2. What was it? 76. Was it 76? F276B19, F276B19, which is this right here, and then this code is CGI IRC 0.5.9. Yeah, I don't think they need the 0.5.9, but let's go ahead and submit that. What was the hint was going to say? On the attack box, open a terminal and type the command above. Okay, that's too easy. And we about what? 33% done. And for manual discovery, we have the sitemap.xml, unlike the robot.txt file, which restricts search engine crawlers can look at. The sitemap XML file gives us a list of every file the website owner wishes to be listed on the search engine. So that's like the whitelisted subdirectories and stuff. So these can sometimes contain areas of the website that are a bit more difficult to navigate to, or even list some old websites pages, old web pages that the current site no longer uses but are still working behind the scene. So let's take a look at the sitemap XML file on the website that was given to us, and boom. Let me go ahead and close these out. I don't think we need these ones yet. So what is the path of the secret area that can be found in the sitemap XML file? In the sitemap XML file, we have the news article ID3. Obviously, okay, let me go ahead and start these machine real quick. So I want everybody to actually, this is the home page. This is the news page where we can take a look at the first news, which gives us the URL link of article ID 1. If we go back and click the second one, it gives us the ID 2. Third one, ID 3, and it's blocked. In my previous room, we seen how we could actually move this premium customer blockage and get to see the website and the content. And what else do we have? We have the contact. Here you go. We have the customers, and then we have the reset password and the sign up here, which is the sign up. And then where's the reset password? And the reset password will give us the reset password URL link. Pretty much everything is listed, but where is this? Something that we have not seen. Customers login. I don't think. Right here, secret area. We do not have that at all. So we can actually go ahead and find what exactly that is by just simply typing that in. Not after customers, but what the hell? I wonder what that is. And boom, you found the sitemap endpoint. We actually did find it. So this would be the website. I mean, the sub directory, I guess, that we looking for. The other one is manual discovery with HTTP headers. HTTP headers. When we make requests to the web server, the server returns various HTTP headers, and these headers can sometimes contain useful information such as the web server software and possibly the programming or scripting language in use. And this, in the below example, we can see the server is NGINX version 1.18.0 and runs PHP version 7.43. Using this information, we could find vulnerable versions of the software being used. You could just be like vulnerability in I don't know how to pronounce that, NGINX version, and you could kind of use any vulnerabilities found in that version for PHP version 7.43. But we can go ahead and let's go ahead and curl that with I think tag V just shows the verbose mode, which kind of gives you a lot more information. Let's go ahead and paste that selection real quick and run that up, and boom! As soon as it is done, it gives you with the port number, the header, the host and the kernel 7.72. It gives you a lot of information. The server is nginx 1.18 Ubuntu, the date, and then the X flag that we're looking for, which is THM Tryhackme header flag. We can go ahead and control tab that real quick. And that would be the flag, which is perfect. We can always do that for a different website. All you have to do is curl, like Tryhackme, tag V will give you something different type of stuff. We can actually go ahead and try that out real quick. Curl tryhackme.com, tag V, and boom. It will kind of give you. Oh, I guess it didn't give us a lot of information, but gives you move permanently. What do they use? We have the Cloudflare server, CF Ray. I'm not sure what that is, but it gives us kind of more information, which is kind of cool for any website that you are trying to manipulate or looking into. The other one, manual discovery framework stack. Once you have established the framework of a website, either from the above Favicon example or by looking for close in the page source, such as comments, copyright notices, or credits, you can then locate the framework's website. From there, we can learn more about the software and other information, possibly leading to more content we can discover. So looking at the page source of the ACM EIT support website, which is this one right here. What did they say? The page source. We're looking at the page source. We have new home beta. We have the framework here. I think this. You'll see a comment at the end of every page with page load time and also a link to the framework's website. So this right here is the link to the framework website. TSM framework login. Then why is it not working? Okay, it did work. I guess I put two / admin. Come on, so slow. Admin. Login. Yes. Nope, I don't want it saved. I understand. And this will be our flag. I don't want to save. This right here is our flag. Tryhackme. Change default credentials. Obviously, not. Okay. And then the other one would be open source intelligence, or OSINT. Or the other name is Google hacking dorking. Probably wouldn't go through this, but just make sure you read that. I already read that before. What Google Dork operator can be used to only show results from a particular site. That would just be site. Site. I can't even type today. The other one is Waplizer for OSINT. Waplizer is an online tool and browser extension that helps us identify what technologies the website uses, such as frameworks, content management systems, payment processes, and much more. So you could click that. It's just going to be an extension like we have here for fighting like ad blockers and stuff like that. So they asking for the name of the no. And then the other one is Wayback Machine. Wayback Machine is a historical archive of websites that date back to the late 90s. You can search a domain name and it will show you all the times the service scraped the web page and save the contents. This service can help uncover old pages that may still be active on the current website, which is kind of cool. What is the website address for way back machine? Obviously, you just copy this, uh, paste it here. I don't need that last one. And then GitHub. GitHub, to understand GitHub, you first need to understand Git. Git is a version control system that tracks changes to files in a project. Working in a team is easier because you can see what each team member is editing and what change they made to files. When users have finished making their changes, they commit them with a message and then push them back to a central location or repository for other users to then pull those changes to their local machines. So GitHub is a hosted version of Git on the internet. Repositories can either be set to public or private and have various access controls. You can use GitHub search feature to look for company names or website names to try and locate repositories belonging to your target. So you could go on GitHub and look for any of your company, your target company, and you probably would find so many interesting interesting files and informations. And once discovered, you may have access to source code or passwords or other content you had not yet found. So Git stands for version control. I mean, not it does not stand for that, but it is a version control system. The other one is S3 buckets. S3 buckets are a storage service provided by Amazon Web Service, allowing people to save files and even static website content in the cloud accessible over HTTP and HTTPS. The owner of the files can set access permissions to either make files public, private, and even writable. My eyes are killing me. Sometimes these access permissions are incorrectly set, and the format of the S3 bucket is HTTP name Amazon Web Service, where a name is decided by the owner, such as Tryhackme asset SD Amazon 3. And then the SD buckets can be discovered in many ways, such as finding the URLs and the website page source. What URL format do Amazon? Obviously, this right here. Most of these question answers are very easy and self-explanatory. The automated discovery, that is, okay, I'm not about to go through that, but you could use the word list, and use fluff, derb, I think it's like Derbuster, GoBuster, and Derby, to go over the common, with the given common TXT from the word list. So actually, let me go ahead and run this real quick. I hope our machine is already ready. Split view. We could extend that real quick. Let's go ahead and open our terminal. Come on. Can barely find it. Okay. We could go ahead and paste our selection. This right here is just too much work, honestly. Oh, actually, I don't need this. All I need is this right here. And then you could just paste it here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm already logged into the user machine. And boom. You let that run. We find some subdirectories. We have assets. Okay, no, we don't, because it's status 301. For status 200, we have contact. We have assets, contact, customers, monthly. Status for 200. Status 200 are most of them, which is successful. So what's the name of the directory beginning with MO? That's monthly. What's the name of the log file that was discovered? I don't think we have any log file yet. So we can go ahead and use Derby. And paste it here. And then copy back from the clipboard. I just bit my tongue. So we have monthly robots.txt, sitemap XML. Assets. What is the name of the log file that was discovered? You don't have anything with log. Index.php we have. We don't have anything with, oh shoot, yeah, we do have development.log. I wonder what this is, development.log. Development.log. You discovered the log file. But yeah, it is development.log. Boom, just like that, we are done with the content discovery.